Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we're diving into all things home decor today. Have you ever walked into someone's home and instantly understood their personality? That's because our spaces say so much about who we are. Today we're exploring home decor styles that match different personality types. Whether you love clean lines or colorful chaos, I've got the perfect style for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the minimalist personality. If you believe less is more and clutter gives you anxiety, minimalism is your perfect match. Minimalist homes are all about clean lines, open spaces, and intentional design. Think white walls, neutral color palettes, and furniture with simple, sleek silhouettes. Every item in a minimalist home has a purpose and a place. You'll see lots of whites, grays, beiges, and maybe a pop of black for contrast. Storage is hidden, surfaces are clear, and there's plenty of breathing room. Natural light is maximized with sheer curtains or no curtains at all. Furniture is functional and beautiful, nothing excessive or purely decorative. If you value simplicity, organization, and peace, minimalist decor will feel like home. Now let's switch gears completely for the maximalists out there. If you believe more is more and love surrounding yourself with beautiful things, this is your style. Maximalist homes are bold, layered, and full of personality. We're talking vibrant colors, multiple patterns, and walls covered in art and photos. Mix different textures like velvet cushions, silk curtains, and woven rugs all in one space. Shelves are filled with books, collectibles, plants, and treasured items. Don't be afraid of color clashing. That's part of the maximalist charm. Rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red work beautifully here. Layer rugs on rugs, pile cushions on sofas, and fill every corner with life. If you love expressing yourself through your surroundings and find joy in abundance, maximalism is calling your name. Next, for all my free spirits and Bohemian souls. If you love travel, nature, and a relaxed, carefree vibe, Bohemian Decor is perfect for you. Boho homes are warm, eclectic, and filled with natural elements. Think lots of plants, macrame wall hangings, and woven textiles everywhere. Earthy colors dominate like terracotta, warm browns, sage green, and burnt orange. Mix in patterns like paisley, tribal prints, and florals without worrying about matching. Vintage furniture, rattan chairs, floor cushions, and low seating create that laid-back feel. String lights, candles, and natural light make the space feel cozy and inviting. Display souvenirs from travels, handmade crafts, and items with stories behind them. If you value creativity, comfort, and a connection to nature, Bohemian style will feel like your sanctuary. Now for the industrial personality types. If you appreciate raw materials, urban vibes, and a slightly edgy aesthetic, industrial decor is for you. Industrial homes embrace exposed elements like brick walls, concrete floors, and visible pipes. The color palette is neutral with grays, blacks, whites, and metal accents. Furniture often features metal frames, reclaimed wood, and a sturdy utilitarian feel. Think factory-style lighting, Edison bulbs, and metal pendant lights. Open floor plans with high ceilings and large windows are typical of this style. Leather sofas, metal stools, and wooden coffee tables with metal legs fit perfectly. Keep decorations minimal but impactful, maybe a large abstract painting or metal wall art. If you love the contrast of rough and refined and appreciate honest materials, industrial style is your perfect fit. Let's talk about cottagecore for the romantics and nature lovers. If you dream of cozy countryside living and simpler times, cottagecore is your aesthetic. Cottagecore homes are warm, inviting, and filled with vintage charm. Soft, muted colors like cream, soft pink, sage green, and butter yellow create a gentle atmosphere. Floral patterns on curtains, cushions, and wallpaper bring the garden indoors. Vintage or distressed wooden furniture adds character and history to your space. Lots of natural elements like dried flowers, wicker baskets, and ceramic vases. Cozy textiles like quilts, knitted throws, and linen curtains make everything feel soft and welcoming. Open shelving displays pretty dishes, mason jars, and vintage kitchenware. If you love baking, gardening, and creating a nurturing home environment, cottagecore will wrap you in comfort. For those who love sophistication and elegance, modern luxury is your style. If you appreciate high-end design, quality materials, and timeless beauty, this is for you. Modern luxury homes are sleek, sophisticated, and effortlessly elegant. Think marble surfaces, high-gloss finishes, and metallic accents in gold, brass, or chrome. A neutral color palette with whites, grays, and blacks keeps things refined. Add depth with rich textures like velvet upholstery, silk pillows, and plush rugs. Furniture has clean lines but feels substantial and high quality. Statement pieces like a crystal chandelier or a designer chair become focal points. Everything is curated and intentional, creating a magazine-worthy space. If you never compromise on quality and love the finer things in life, modern luxury decor is made for you. And finally, for the eclectic personalities who can't be put in a box. If you love mixing styles, eras, and influences, Eclectic Decor celebrates your uniqueness. Eclectic homes are personal, unexpected, and full of surprises. Mix modern furniture with vintage finds, traditional pieces with contemporary art. Color palettes can be anything you want, from neutral bases with colorful accents to bold combinations. The key is making sure everything feels intentional, not random. A mid-century modern sofa might sit next to an antique side table and an abstract painting. Travel finds, family heirlooms, and flea market treasures all have a place here. Different textures, patterns, and styles create visual interest in every corner. If you have diverse tastes and love creating a space that's uniquely yours, eclectic style gives you complete freedom. So, which home decor style matches your personality? Are you a minimalist who loves simplicity, or a maximalist who lives for abundance? Maybe you're a mix of several styles, and that's perfectly okay. Drop a comment below and let me know which style resonates with you. And remember, these are just guidelines. Your home should reflect who you are. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!